Yes, you can see that figure now.
Comparing numbers. Objective. Rules of comparison of large numbers, ascending and descending order. There is a toy company, Wonder Toy, which produces two different toys, Teddy Bear toys and Doraemon toys. In the last year, they produced 34,26,635 number of teddies and 34,26,456 number of Doraemon toys. Which type of toys did they produce more? How do you compare? Let us learn how to compare the large numbers. How did we compare the small numbers? We have to follow the same rules to compare large numbers. Rules of comparison. We have some rules to compare numbers. Greater the number of digits, greater is the number. Let us try one example. Among 45,637 and 1,27,548, 1,27,548 is a big number because it has 6 digits, whereas the first number has 5 digits. So we can say 1,27,548 is greater than 45,637. Now, the second rule is, if two numbers have the same number of digits, the number with the bigger digit on the leftmost side is greater. That means we will compare the digits of the highest place value. Let us take one example. Among 345,672 and 654,302, both the numbers have same number of digits. Then we have to compare the highest place value digit. What is the highest place? 100,000. What are the digits in the highest place value of the two numbers? 3 and 6. 6 is more than 3. So, we can say that 345,672 is less than 654,302. The third rule is, if the leftmost digits are the same, we compare the next digit to the right and keep doing this until the digits are different. Let us see some examples. 24,56,320 and 25,62,342. Here, both numbers are 7-digit numbers. The highest place value digits are the same. So, we will move to the next digit to its right, or the next highest place value. The next highest place value is lakhs place. The digits in lakhs place of the two numbers are 4 and 5. Here, 5 is more than 4. So we can say that 24,56,320 is less than 25,62,342. Now, we will learn how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Numbers are said to be in ascending order when they are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. Let us take one example. Place the numbers in the place value chart. 45,36,270. 32,45,675. 56,473. 45,31,679. In the above four numbers, the third number has 5 digits, remaining has 7 digits. So, that is the smallest number. Next, the highest place value digits of the three numbers are 4, 3, 4. 3 is smaller than 4, so the second number will come next. Now, in the remaining two numbers, 10 lakh, lakh and 10,000's place value digits are the same for both the numbers. So, we will observe the digits of thousands place, which are 6 and 1. 6 is bigger than 1. So, fourth number will come next and then the first number. The ascending order of these numbers is 56,473 less than 32,45,675 less than 45,31,679 less than 45 36,270. Descending order. Numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the largest to smallest. In the above example, the descending order of these numbers is 45,36,270 greater than 45,31,679 greater than 32,45,675 greater than 56,473.
So comparing large numbers. So rules of comparing numbers. So what are the rules we have? The first rule number 1, if the number has, so for rule number 1, the number has more digits is the greatest number. More digits represents greatest number. Greatest number. I will take one example. I will explain with the help of an example here. So if I take an example is 24 lakhs 16,345 is our number, and another number is okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let us see which is the greatest and which is the smaller. How do you know about when we comparison? Then only we could say the number here which is greater and which is the smaller. See, first of all, count number of digits in the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is a 7. So it is 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Which number has more number of digits? Yes, absolutely in the first number. So that is the greatest number. So you know how to, yes. Okay, I will, Shravan Kumar, I will put, no problem. Sandy already given the symbol. This is greater. The first number is greater than the second number. So greater number, greater symbol can be write like this. Okay. Yeah. So always one thing I'm telling you, the open side and the closed side of the symbol we have, you know, this is one symbol, whatever the symbol it is, always the closed side is a small number and open side is towards the greatest number. Remember that it is very, very important point. If you don't have enough knowledge about what is the symbol it is, you just write the symbol, the open side of the symbol always towards the greatest number. So either what is the name of the symbol? Let us learn later on, right? First of all, we should have a minimum knowledge about always the greater value towards open side of the symbol, right? This is one example. The rule number 1 is more digits represent the greatest number, and then the second one, okay, the second one is second rule number 1. Rule number 2, if the two numbers have same number of digits, two numbers having same number of digits, same అనే పదం మనం చాలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. Same number of digits. What should we do to find out the greatest and the smallest? We just compare their leftmost digits. Compare their means here numbers, their leftmost digits. Why? Because the leftmost digits are places. Leftmost places are greater, right? Like I will give one example. I will make you to learn, understand by example. Yes, 25 lakhs 42,317 is one number, and 17 lakhs 24,829 is one number. So we are comparing these two numbers. Okay, first rule number 1, count the number of digits. 3 to 5 plus 2 7, and here there are also 7. The two numbers have same number of digits. In this way, now is it possible to say which is the greater? Yes, it is possible. How did you say the greatest and the smallest? As I told you that compare their leftmost digits when the numbers having same number of digits. Compare their leftmost digits. For this is the this is the leftmost digit of this number, and this is the leftmost digit of this number. You just compare them, 2 and 1. So you know that which is the greater and smaller. Oh, so 2 is greater than 1. So 25 lakhs 42,317 is greater than 17 lakhs 24,829. Yes. This is the way of comparing when large numbers, when the two numbers have same number of digits. Okay, is it okay? Then we'll go for the third rule number 3. What is rule number 3? If the numbers having same number of digits, And the leftmost digits also same. But what about the leftmost digit? Leftmost digits also same. What should we do? Leftmost digits also same. How to compare the numbers? You just compare next digits. Compare next digit from the left. Next digit from the left. Next digit from the left. Okay. Right. So for example, we'll take one example here. Yes. So take one example. 25 lakhs 42,827. As usual, 25 lakhs 87,528. Okay. Now just go, and there are first rule number one. There are 7 digits, and here all in this number has 7 digits. And okay, when the two numbers have same number of digits, to find out the greatest and the smallest, we need to convert the leftmost digit. So I'm going to write taking leftmost digits comparison. Yeah, it is 2, and here the leftmost digit is 2. Whoa, these two are same, but no need to try put equal in between them. Why? Because right here, then we should go next digit from the right. He said that next digit from the right. What is the next digit? Yes, this is the 5. 5 and 5. Oh my God. Here also we didn't get in by this time. We can't say both the leftmost digit. That means 10 lakhs place is 2, and lakhs place also same. 10 lakhs place is same, and lakhs place also same. So next, what should we do? We'll go for the next digit from the left side nunchi. Mano next digit compare cheddam. This is 4 and this is 8. So you know that 8 is a greater number. So which symbol can be used? The greater number is here. So we use less than. It is that. What is that, Nana? Less than is the symbol. You can use it. And this is greater than. Okay. These are the comparison. If you have enough knowledge about the comparison of numbers, you can easily to write ascending on descending orders. Let us see how to write ascending and descending orders. Right. Okay. Now, before we are talking about ascending and descending order, I will give you a small work today. I'm going to give you exercise 3. It has, hey, who's that? Gautam, don't write anything, Nana, please. Right. Writing numbers in the figures of the given numbers are writing just a minute. I will take this here and keep it here. This one, okay. Yes. Okay, we'll go. I'm going to give you a small activity. Write the given numbers. Yes. Right. Ones period and thousands period and lakhs period and crores period. Okay. If I give any number, you just write the numbers in the figure. Okay. This is about number. I am going to give you one number. 40. Yeah. 45 lakhs. 45 lakhs. 61,000. 300 and 76. Okay, this is the given number. I'm going to write this number in the figure. How do I write this number in the figure? By using our periods. In our number system, there are altogether 4 periods as we learned in the previous classes. What are they? Ones. Then I will tell you briefly. Ones has 3 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s makes thousands. Lakhs and 10 lakhs makes lakhs. Crores and 10 crores. Now, 45 lakhs. Okay, right now. 2 digits how to write so that it is 45 lakhs and 61 thousands. Here also 6 10,000s and 1 in thousands make 61 thousands and 376. If there is no, if is not given any places, in that places we should write zeros. Okay. Yeah, this is 45 lakhs 61,376. This is it is already there in that exercise 1.4. That's why I just remind. Okay, now then ascending order and descending order. Next topic is ascending order. We already learned about all these things, right? Ascending order. To say the numbers is said to be in the ascending order, all numbers arranged from the smallest to the greatest. If arrange the numbers from the smallest, yeah, smallest to greatest. First of all, you just write the smaller number. After that, somewhat small, like this. So it will be. So you just understand about by the figure, and it will be like that. Okay, this is called ascending order. But you are some 6th class students. But I need okay. If you have any doubts, you want to call me personally. Then I will clear. We already learned 1 week about all this number system. It is very easy, no problem, no doubt. You can do it. Yes, right. Ascending order and then descending order. So this is reverse of ascending order. Ascending and descending order. Next, it is coming down. Yes, like this. It's come down. So you just arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Greatest to smallest. Like if you arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, that is called ascending order. So first of all, small number, then after there is some more than that number, it will be going on increased, right? Descending order, it is coming to decreased. Okay, this is the great. If you arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest, that is descending order. Yeah, so this is the topic what I want to tell you. So then I'm going to clear, right? Thank you.